I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
You're going to blend me up?
This thing is such a contraption. New blender, new life.
New us.
So tuna man.
Tuna man?
You are such a tuna man. If Eric had tuna on hand every day, you would eat tuna every day.
Oh, all kinds of tuna. Canned tuna, fresh tuna, sushi tuna.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And you're Italian, so this tuna sauce or tuna dip is so up.
Yeah, tell me more about this.
Up
What
your
is
alley.
this? There's lots of goodies in front of me. So what are we seeing?
So this tuna sauce is called a Tonnato.
Tonnato.
It is an Italian tuna sauce or dip. It's traditionally served over some veal,
Oh,
but we kind of like it with just dipping some veggies in there and some bread and just, it's like a nice little,
it's like an
instead of
Italian
fondue.
tuna fondue.
A fondue. So it's really simple to make. It first starts off with some soft-boiled eggs that we need to boil because I didn't do that ahead of time.
Well,
So we
why do
gotta
you need the
burl 'em.
soft-boiled eggs?
So we're going to be just using the yolks, and the yolks, these soft yolks are going to be used to kind of make our sauce more creamy and luxurious and a little bit thicker. You could also just use regular uncooked yolks. That's more almost traditional, but if you don't want to risk the whole salmonella thing, then I would soft boil them.
Okay,
So let's show them how to do
let's
it.
do it.
Bring your water to a boil and gently place your eggs in the water. Set your timer for 8.5 minutes, keeping your water at a gentle simmer. When your timer goes off, drop your eggs in ice water and let them chill for about 10 minutes. Crack, peel, and slice them.
Yolky, 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 yolky. Yes. That is what you call the perfect yolk.
You are the hard-boiled egg master. So yolks right in the blender.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna pop the yolks with a little teaspoon right into the blender, and you can save the whites and actually use them as little scoopers
Oh, that's fun.
for the
good idea.
Tonnato. Do you wanna scoop some of them?
Sure, I'll scoop them.
So you just kinda like pop out the little yolk,
'Kay.
push it out. All you.
Goodbye.
So that will be the perfect touch of creaminess. And then we
Creamy.
have, excuse me?
Creamy.
What was that?
This is the tuna.
The tuna. So we just have a jar of tuna here. It's 6.7 ounces, but I drain all the olive oil out of it.
Very precise.
Yes, I forget, it's like 2/3 of a cup of tuna. Oh, can't use that. Fork.
So tuna right in. What's so cool is you're blending the tuna. It's liquefying it.
Yes, so when you add the olive oil at the end, that's what kind of like emulsifies it and makes it into this creamy, delicious concoction.
Anchovy salt bombs. I eat these out of the jar.
You were eating these before, and your
I'll
breath
eat one right now.
smells
Just
like
one more.
a
Come on.
cat.
Can I have it?
You smell like a cat. Meow.
I like cats. You don't.
Meow. Oh. Oh.
This is not going well. Bony, salty. All right, throw it in.
So we have 1, 2, 3 anchovies in here, and that's just it's gonna give it nice flavor. It's gonna give that kind of like Mediterranean ocean flavor, seawater
You want
touch.
to taste the sea.
And to play off the brininess, we have some capers. We just want a dash of capers. Nice pop of brine.
Oh, caper down. I'll
You
take
were
it.
so excited about
you.
that. And then just some fresh squeezed lemon juice just to round everything out and cut kind of the richness of all your other ingredients.
Let me guess what's next. Salt. Oh, wash your hands. Goodbye. No. I'll do it.
Do it up. So just a little bit of pepper, that's good.
Okay. Just a little bit of
And
salt.
a
right?
little salt, yep. Why?
Because we have salty elements in the
Yes. I'm a big believer in
Dish.
not too much salt. I said
big blubber.
So now what you want to do is it's time to emulsify all of your ingredients. We added everything but the olive oil. We're gonna be adding 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, which is a lot of olive oil. But this is what's going to turn it from all these dry ingredients to a sauce.
Yeah, and what's key here is slow, slow, slow.
You need to do this so slow, just the tiniest little steady stream.
I think we should give them a close up and show them.
Yes, while the blender is on low.
Okay.
So you wanna turn your blender on low, and then you're gonna drizzle your olive oil while the blender is on low. And again, low and slow. So turning to low.
Wow, that's loud.
So halfway through, I just like to take a spoon and just scrape down the sides. I feel like I'm yelling because I can just hear the sound of the blender in my ears. But just knock down the sides because some of this mixture is not going to get into the bottom of your blender. It's time to shine.
Please give me some.
Veggies and eggs and
Veggies
olives and
and
bread.
eggs and olives and fish. And what's your strategy? What are you going for? I'm gonna do a snow pea. Me too. Cheers.
Like-minded. The
Love it.
snow peas are so good with this.
Oh. Cheers.
Ooh, drippy.
Mmm.
Tuna man, comment.
Briny, a little salty, but not too much. So creamy and delicious. This is perfect. I want to go one by one and see what's good, best with it.
Such a cool spread.
Wow,
Who
this
would
is
have
awesome.
thunk? Check this out on Tastefully Grace. Ooh, olive.
.com, you won't regret it. Please feed me this.
Tonnato.
Give it to me.